Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you how you can quickly and easily get the best possible sign up bonus on the platform BingX. So it's very simple. You simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this sign up page right here. And as you can see, you can get up to more than $5,000 of bonus currently. That always can change, but if you use the link from the description, you will always get the current best bonus that is available. You can simply have you enter your details right here, your email address and a password, and you can see the referral code is automatically added, so you're always eligible for all of these nice bonuses if you use the link. And you can see down here, for example, if you make your first deposit, you will get a nice bonus. If you trade for more than $300, you will get a bonus. And as you can see, it always changes right here. So these are a little bit more than $100 that you can get from these bonuses, but also you can get even more if you can check out this right here. As you can see, currently you can get even more than $5,000 worth of bonuses, and it all of course depends on how much you have deposited to your account. So you will also be eligible for these bonuses right here if you use the link from the video description. As you can see, it depends on how much you have deposited and how much you have traded on your account. But as you can see down here, you can see that you will get all of these nice bonuses depending on your trading volume, of course. So that's all explained right here. That can maybe change throughout the times, but it doesn't matter. If you just use the link and check out what the current bonus is, you will always be eligible for them. You can see also down here, it's explained again how you can get these nice bonuses. So it's all right here. Just use the link and you will get all of these bonuses. Very simple, just deposit and trade, and you will be eligible for these bonuses. If you want to see more tutorials on the platform BingX, you can check out the video description or my YouTube channel. I have other tutorials on how to trade, how to buy crypto, or how to deposit money onto the platform. So if you will need more assistance on that, you can check out these videos. And of course, as always, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.